Today I'm going to work on my Beretta 92 FS. I picked up these cool hand grips. They were like 40 bucks. But I thought we'd give them a try. We'll open the box here. So here's the grips. These grips are wood. However, I'm not sure what kind of wood. But they do look nice. There's the front of the card. So there's their website if you wanted to check them out. We have a bag of screws and a tool to put them on. And of course the other grip. But before we do this, we got to get these old grips off. So before you start working, I have no magazine in here. You just want to make sure that it's not loaded. And there's 2 screws holding each one in. So I'm going to take those out. I'm using this big screwdriver just to loosen the screws. And then I have a small screwdriver I'll use to take those out. And that comes out pretty easy. Okay. So these should just pop on there. It looks like you've got to kind of push. The holes are a little bit small here, so you kind of have to push them over those bushings. Or standoffs. And let's get our screws out. So it comes with the tool, 4 brass screws, and 4 O-rings. And I dropped one on the floor. So we're going to put an O-ring on our screw here. We'll set that down in there. And I really like these brass screws. They look nice. We'll see how they look in the grip once everything's on there. And that's what they look like. My first impressions are they actually feel good. I think there's less of a hump in the middle, so it makes it seem like it's slimmer. But I'm going to take this out to the pistol range and try it out, and we'll be back and I'll let you know how it goes. So I just come back from the range, and I'm actually pretty impressed with these grips. The checkering feels really good. The grips do feel a little bit slimmer than the old. I don't know if that's the case or not, but it does feel like it. For 40 bucks, this is a cheap upgrade. It looks good. They have different styles on their website. Wouldn't hurt to take a look. So that's it for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.